In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to contact the Ticketmaster customer service. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase all of the ways in which you will be able to talk to the Ticketmaster customer support to get answers or to talk to them over certain subjects. So I'm gonna teach you how to find the contact information through the website, but you can also follow along through the app, or if you want to do this on your smartphone, go to a web browser as well. Regardless of the method, you will be able to go into Ticketmaster.com or open the application and click or look for help. So on the website, it is going to be here at the top. When you choose help, you will find plenty of categories available, with the last one being contact us. So in order to talk to the customer service, choose this option here, contact us. Now they will present four main options: have a question, search or help articles. So if you want to just browse through the articles, because usually these will answer frequently asked questions. Already have tickets, chat with us. So again, this is an option to talk to them if you already have purchased your tickets. Don't have tickets or can sign in, email us. And finally, want to reach us by phone. So you have four main ways. Either browse through the pre-written help articles and you won't have to talk to one of their agents, or you will be able to chat with them, email them, or call them. They will have the dates in which they are able to present you with an agent, and as long as you call during these times, for example, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. local time, or Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time, and finally Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., you will be able to talk to them and answer any questions that you might have. The contact info should be the latest available, so as long as you call them at this number or you choose the option to email or chat them, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to contact Ticketmaster customer service. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.